Okay, I'm clearing you. So we've been doing some one-step ones. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna walk through a more than one-step one and then have you to do it. On this is 86 tablespoons, which is 2 quarts. So let's say we were having a bake sale for foods and we had to make a huge batch and ended up we needed to do 86 tablespoons because we are doing 10 times. Well, that's kind of a pain. Let's change the units so we have to measure out less and do less work. So I'm going to write down the original quantity with units. I'm going to write down my desired units. The object of my desire is quarts. Now I have to figure out a plan. I'm starting with tablespoons. I don't know how to go right to quarts, but here are my conversion factors that I have. This is what's in our foods book. Well, let me see. Tablespoons, I can go to cups, and then I can go from cups to pints. I know how to do. And I got pints to quarts. So I do have a path to quarts. And that path has 1, 2, 3 steps. So that means I need 1, 2, 3 conversion factors. That's how you pick. You pick a path. They're not all the same. Some people might know how to go directly from cups to quarts, but I didn't have that. I picked my path. Big old smiley face here. So this is just a fancy fraction that we are trying to cancel out all the units except for quarts and do the math correctly. So I'm going from tablespoons to cups. Well, I want tablespoons on the bottom, TSP, and cups on the top. That way my tablespoons will cancel. Then I'm going to cups to pints. I'm going to put cups on the bottom, pints on the top, so that the cups cancel. Now I have pints. Now pints to quarts. Quarts. The object of my desire. My last units should match what my answer is. The units of my answer. Sometimes there'll be ratios like centimeters, meters per second, and these two will match it, but we're just starting out with just one. And so pints needs to be on the bottom. Now I need to fill in the correct numbers. This quantity has to be equal to this quantity. So I'm saying that 1 cup is 16 tablespoons. 1 pint is 2 cups. 1 quart is 2 pints. Now we just have the math. Just like algebra, we're going to simplify it first, and then we're going to do the math. Simplify. Tablespoons cancel. Cups cancel. We have 1 on top and 1 on bottom. Pints cancel. We have 1 on top and 1 on the bottom. We're left with quarts. So now we just do the math. 6 times 1 times 1 times 1 divided by 16 times 2 times 2. So you get out your calculator and you do it. Look at me not prepared. My calculator, oh, there it is. On. Let me see, 16. 1 pint is 2 cups. 1 quart is 2 pints. All right, we got 86. Oh yeah. 86 divided by and I got 1.34. Now I have two significant figures here. Oh, it could be, Michael. I'm just showing you how to do a multi-step one. So I have two significant figures to start with in a conversion, 86. And so I'm going to round that to 1.3. 1.3 quarts.